कि ओ ये भी हो सकता था यार, ये नहीं किया, तो वो नर्वसनेस होती है यार, ये हम सही हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है। इस सीरीज में ही कितने अच्छे कलाकार हैं। तो नत्या कांड में देयर आर बोथ द रवीज, रवि दुबे, रवि किशन, पीयूष मिश्रा जी, हैवी like filled with like good actors. So करते करते you realize everybody is so fond of each other and it's just like a family now. I know it sounds very cliche, but it has become like one.
While growing up, हम सब लोग कहीं ना कहीं कभी ना कभी किसी के द्वारा किसी तरीके से कौन जरूर हुए होंगे। लेकिन क्या हो अगर आपको देखने को मिले अपने फेवरेट एक्टर्स किसी और को कौन करते हुए, और वो भी इतने प्रिसिशन और परफेक्शन से दैट यू वुड एक्चुअली वांट टू नो द स्टोरी बिहाइंड देयर कॉन गेम्स। जी हाँ दोस्तों, एमएक्स प्लेयर पे बहुत जल्द आने वाला है मत्स्यकांड, जहां पे देखने को मिलेगा आप लोगों को नॉट वन नॉट टू बट एन एरे ऑफ एक्टर्स हु आर गोना एस देयर रोल्स एंड ऑल्सो portray some great work in front of you. Well, आज मेरे यानी विशाखा पंडित के साथ जुड़ने वाली हैं जोया अफरोज, who's been a model, who's been a pageant winner, who's actually all set to represent India in Miss International. And आज वो मेरे साथ जुड़ेंगी because she is playing the role of Urvashi in the series मत्स्यकांड। तो आइए चलिए बुलाते हैं जोया को और जानते हैं what does she want to share about her journey, about the show and a lot more in store for the fans.
Well, I would say firstly, welcome to Delhi Shakka and congratulations for the Mत्स्यकांड. It looks very expressive. Like, you know, I'm expecting a lot out of it. But if I would ask you, when you were offered like the first time, you know, briefed about the कि ऐसा होने वाला है project, ऐसा होगा किरदार, what was your instant reaction to it?
Instant reaction was like, I want to do this. I really want to be a part of this show. And तब तक तो मैंने उर्वशी के बारे में पूरा जानकारी मुझे मिली भी नहीं थी तब तक. I just knew about the show. But just hearing about the show, I was like, this is something that I want to do. The whole world is so different, and you know, as actors, हम हमेशा we're very selfish about doing different things. You know, कुछ ऐसा अलग offer हो हमें. So हम हमेशा उसी की तलाश में रहते हैं. So when this came up and I auditioned for it and जब मुझे call आया that you're selected and all of that, तो छोटा एक कहानी का brief दिया and I was like, wow, this is something that I would love to take on. Then फिर आगे पता चला कि इसमें बहुत अच्छे actors भी हैं. There's Ravi Dubey, Ravi Kishan, there's Madhur, there's Piyush Mishra ji. I was like, wow, this sounds even better. फिर you know उसके पहले ये भी पता चला कि उर्वशी का जो कैरेक्टर है, she's a magician, she's doing this con. I was like, that is so different and refreshing from all the female parts that I've been hearing. You know, जब आप script सुनते हैं तब आप usually that female parts are a lot of times they're coy and shy, which is okay. But sometimes you know you as an actor want to do something different. So I was like, wow, this is refreshing. So I think you know, all the boxes were getting ticked, and I was like, wow, this is something I want to do without second thought.
But then did you learn, or maybe did you get to learn something for your character for Urvashi? Did you learn something?
Yes. We did a lot of training, so workshops वगैरह तो चल रही थी because you know all the three of us had a lot of scenes together. So उस regarding हमारी chemistry के लिए and all of that workshops में हम मस्ती ज़्यादा करते थे, and I think वो मस्ती करते you know एक होता है chemistry बन गई सबकी साथ में, director की भी and सारे हमारे creatives की भी. And apart from that, I think I was just talking about how I learned magic. And how I learned the magic tricks, not magic. How can I learn that? No
but magic. Have you learned now any magic tricks? Have you been showing people at home those, you know, magic tricks now? Are you the one?
You know, these नहीं इतने मतलब घर पे क्या है ना, because they were my guinea pigs और उनको मैंने स्टार्ट में कुछ ऐसे दिखाया, बट स्टार्ट में क्या होता है सब आप सीख रहे होते हो मैजिक ट्रिक्स, तो कुछ गलतियां हो जाती है, फिर वो पकड़ लेते हैं आपको. एक आध बार उन्होंने मेरी मैजिक ट्रिक्स को पकड़ लिया था. तो घर पे उतना नहीं दिखा रही हूँ. आई थिंक स्टार्ट में मैंने कुछ दिखाया था. बाकी आई थिंक मोस्टली जो ट्रिक्स मैंने सीखे हैं विजुअल ट्रिक्स आर समथिंग दैट यू डू विद योर हैंड एंड द कार्ड ट्रिक्स एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. तो विजुअली बहुत प्यारा लगता है. तो आई थिंक एक आध सीन में मैंने किया भी है ट्रिक्स, तो खुद ही. So I think I'm very proud of that.
But is there anything of that sort that maybe was very difficult, but then that scene has come out very beautiful according to you, and you feel that even though you gave a lot of tries or maybe takes in it, or maybe you gave a lot of efforts in it, but according to you, that is one of the best scene in the series show?
I think हमने ज्यादा टेक्स इसलिए नहीं किए क्योंकि हमारे वर्कशॉप में हमने काफी अच्छी तरह से हमें प्रेप करके यू नो सेट पे ले जाया गया था, एंड वी डिड अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेप. सारे सीन्स हमें पता थे पहले से, एंड यू नो हम इम्प्रोवाइज भी बहुत करते थे वर्कशॉप के दौरान. तो हमारी ट्यूनिंग और वो पूरी सीन का जो सुर है वो इतनी अच्छी तरह बैठ गया था कि ऐसा लग रहा था सेट पे जाने के बाद इट्स ओनली परफॉर्मेंस. तो हम उससे टेक्स नहीं दे रहे थे, which was great. There was a day where I had to do a lot of scenes in one day, which were very heavy emotionally. So I think वो दिन बहुत ही बहुत ही भारी था मेरे सर के लिए भी, because by the end of it you're like सुबह हो गई थी and there were so many scenes to do in one day, and that one particular day was packed with one scene after the other which were really high on emotions. So doing that was something that was very, very difficult.
But then, Zoya, do you take back your characters, or do you take back scenes home, or do you leave the scene character there and then on the sets when you're done with it?
I like to leave them where it is. Like the scenes especially, I cannot take them back, because sometimes it becomes very, very heavy, because you are that person and you're believing everything that's happening to the character. तो वो उतना बिलीविंगली जब आप प्ले करते हो तो उस वक्त के लिए आपके लिए सब कुछ रियल है. तो वो घर ले जाना भी बहुत ज्यादा हो जाएगा मेरे लिए. But yes, I am someone, I feel that who can do a switch on, switch off. So when I'm off, I'm off.
So does it still happen to you that, when you give those auditions, or when you maybe try improvising it, or maybe come in front of the camera, you still have that palpitation or maybe you're feeling inside? And if yes, what do you do then?
That will always happen. And I have heard like from other big actors and artists as well, that happens when you step on stage. And I think that's a very good thing, because that means that you care for it. और आपको फर्क पड़ रहा है कि ये अच्छे से हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. That will not happen if you don't care. अगर आपको, if you're okay with whatever the result or whatever the outcome is, then you will not care. But when you care about it now, so of course you will get nervous, and मैं तो especially till the end moment I feel like I'm working on it, and especially अगर stage पे जाते हैं या scene perform करते वक्त हमेशा ये लगता ही है कि अरे इसको इस तरह से भी कर सकते थे. So there are so many different ways to do a scene or play out a character, and there are so many little nuances. तो हमेशा ऐसा लगता है अपने तरह से तो हम एक क्रिटिक बन ही जाते हैं अपने आप की, ये भी हो सकता था यार, ये नहीं किया. तो वो नर्वसनेस होती है, या ये हम सही हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है.
But then are you like a big critic of your work? And if not you, who in your life is a critic of your work?
I'm not a very big critic, because see, my idea and funda of life is I'm happy with what I'm doing, and I'm so glad that I have been given this opportunity to live my dream. मैं उसी में इतनी खुश हूँ, and I'm really taking every moment in. And I also believe कि बहुत ज्यादा किसी चीज को कुरेदने से कुछ ना कुछ गलतियां तो निकलेंगी ही निकलेंगी. We are not all perfect. तो उस चीज को ऑब्जर्व करना is a good thing, बट उस चीज को ऑब्जर्व करके अपने आप पे काम करके फिर छोड़ देना चाहिए एक पॉइंट पे. बहुत अगर उसके ज्यादा पीछे पड़ जाते हैं, so then it'll just keep running on your mind and you just get like crazy. So, and all in all, I enjoy being an actor, and I enjoy, doing my jobs and, going different places, and whether it's acting or whether it's modeling or whether it's pageantry. So everything is so like, I enjoy every bit of it. So, utna critique मैं नहीं करती हूँ. I'm just taking, how the opportunity comes in, and I'm just taking life one moment at a time.
How has the journey been for you until now? How did it really, has it turned out the way you planned, or has it been more better, or what?
A lot of times things won't happen as you plan, and life is such, हर चीज जो आप अपने दिमाग में प्लान करते हो वो नहीं होती, and कभी कभार चीजें उससे बेहतर भी हो जाती हैं, and life surprises you. So I feel like मेरी life में तो I think I have been blessed enough to receive all these opportunities. In my first film I did shoot with Irfan Khan sir, and then there were such amazing actors. Bachpan maybe when I did the films Hum Saath Saath Hain, so amazing actors, and so many of them in that film. So wo tha, and then I got Kuch Na Kaho jisme Aishwarya Abhishek. So I've worked with so many amazing artists and amazing people. And अभी इसमें इस सीरीज में ही कितने अच्छे कलाकार हैं. तो नत्या कांड में there are both the Ravis, Ravi Dubey, Ravi Kishan, Piyush Mishra, जी heavy, like filled with like good actors. So I think opportunities के लिए मैं अपने आप को बहुत blessed feel करती हूँ that I had this, and I feel better तो हमेशा हर चीज हो सकती है. There's always room for improvement. So of course I strive that I do the best that is offered to me, and I try to achieve more. So there's so much to do right now. My training is happening for Miss International. So I have a lot this year, and this year has been the busiest, and that's how I want it to be. And I just want कि जो भी opportunity आए उसमें मैं अपना best performance करूँ, and I'm someone who's also happy with what I have, but I want to do better and better. So I think that I will keep striving to do that.
Array of an actors, and not those who are just newbies, but then also the ones who are professionals. They have been in the industry for so long, good with their work, a great fan base. How is it working with each one of them, like overall?
You should have like seen us. Mahal was super chill and how it should be on a con show. Although there were a lot of serious scenes in between जिसपे हम focus करते थे, but जैसे वो होता खत्म हो जाता था, फिर we would chill a lot. Like off set also we would chill so much. हमारी टीम जो है वो बहुत ही अच्छी बन गई थी, and हम एक दूसरे के साथ we all were so fond of each other also, that I realized. Suddenly आप जब सबके साथ इतने वर्कशॉप करते हो, डायरेक्टर भी हैं, सारे क्रिएटिव हैं, मैं हूँ, रवि है, मधुर है, हम हमारे ज्यादा टीम्स के साथ में, तो करते करते you realize everybody is so fond of each other and it's just like a family now. It sounds very cliche but it has become like one. So काफी चिल था सेट पे, बहुत मजा आया.
But then have you been conned yourself in your real life?
I have been
Really?
conned, like in a lot of ways. Like काफी चीजें चोरी भी हुई है मेरी, and people have also, like in little ways, not like a huge way, but in little ways, and I have been conned. पर होगी कोई situation, you think like कुछ situation होगी किसी के life में, I'm sure, but yeah, I think, but I don't know, इतने बड़े कोई कॉन्स तो होते नहीं है, होपफुली ना हो, स्पेशली जो हमने कॉन्स किए हैं मत्स्याकांड में, ऐसा तो किसी के साथ ना हो.
Now that we'll be loving watching you as Urvashi in Matsyakan, and then other things are lined up and you have your pageant coming across, what kind of characters would you want to see yourself in the upcoming future projects? Anything, it
Like
works.
I want to do like a Madhubala, Mughal Azam type, very different, and something I want to do like an action based, like full on kicking asses and
Wow.
like solid punches and like full on action kind of a film. And I want to do some character which is not like urban, which is not from here, but let's see.
So, any parting words for the fans? What can they expect for post your, Matsyakan, and what can they expect out of the upcoming span? Because they are super excited to actually see you in the series.
The message would be to everyone that is, watching us, to watch us on Matsyakan on MX Player, and it's going to release on 18th of November. So बिल्कुल भी देखना मत भूलिए, सारे episodes drop हो रहे हैं, so don't worry. And काफी कुछ देखने मिलेगा आपको, उर्वशी के काफी रूप देखने मिलेंगे, and the whole show is fun and you will enjoy watching it. And हमें बड़ा मजा आया शूट करके, और आपको भी उतना ही मजा आएगा देखकर. So go watch it.
Well, I wish you all the luck to the entire team of Matsyakan. It's a pleasure having you here at Telechakkar, and good luck for the upcoming shows also.
Thank you so much.
Well, thank you so much guys for watching today's stat session with me, Vishakha Pandit, जहाँ मेरी मेहमान थी ज़ोया अफरोज. Well, I really hope 18th November को MX Player पे आप लोग ट्यून इन करके जरूर देखेंगे मत्स्याकान, and if yes, do tell us in the comment sections below. आज के chat session के बारे में आपकी क्या राय है, शेयर करना ना भूलिएगा. Until then, stay tuned to Telechakkar for all the more updates about the Tele world.
Know all about the Tele world by subscribing to Telechakkar's YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated to our new videos.